1 year we have discussed, not 1 year, in fact, last 3 years we've been discussing isms and isms and isms. Has anything changed at a ground level?
I mean, the last year has basically been in a standstill, so it's too early to say that if something has changed. But on the other hand, I also feel if you practically look at it, as much as it may seem like unfair, this is a business that is built a certain way. I mean, of course, their wrongdoings and malpractices are a no-no. But anybody who comes to become an actor needs to understand that he or she is basically signing up for this, because not everything is going to be a big film, 100 crore box office, all the awards in the world. Because the number of people that are coming to be actors are way more than the number of people who are actually coming to be producers or directors, or the number of films. And there are only so many big production houses that can only make so many films. And they choose to work with who they work with. We might choose to say that this is wrong, but they might have a different answer for it. So of course, it's great to have that debate and try and say, why can't talent have its place under the sun, and because they might say that just because we think that this one is talented. And it's like, you love Loot Case, somebody else liked some other film, and we can talk about this one was better or that one was better. Anyways, I think I'm drifting away, but it's also been a discussion that's been so relevant and so topical through this year. I've also, because I've had so many discussions, tried to understand in a way that I don't become a bitter person, but I want to come out of this a better person who wants to initiate that dialogue without having to fear that, even if I raise my voice, I might lose work, or I might lose this, or I might lose that. Because there has to be a healthy environment where everybody works. Because I got into this industry because I really enjoy my work. Now, everything else that sucks the joy out of it, I have to try and balance out.
Yeah, but is the industry really evolving? Especially with the coming of...
It is evolving. I mean, it is evolving, whether you like it or not. I mean, look at this. We didn't have digital. I mean, even when I started, my first film in 2005 was shot on film. And then digital came in, and it changed. And as a kid, when I don't remember having 23-year-old directors, but now it's a common thing that more younger people are coming. Different kind of films are being made. Nobody knew about the web space and what it would do in so many ways. So it's come. Now we are trying to adjust to it. So I think the industry on its own is constantly evolving. It's trying to understand. I mean, this coronavirus has happened. Theaters have shut down. What's going to happen there? We don't know. So, like everything else in life, this industry is also evolving. Sometimes we like the way it evolves, and sometimes we don't like the way it evolves. But good or bad, it is going to cater to the needs of what the audiences want. Because at the end of the day, and that's the other part of the discussion that we've been having. I mean, it's not fair to put this on the audience, because sometimes they don't have access to everything else.
Sure. Because
a lot goes into building a so-called star. It's not just the film he does or she does. It's also the kind of PR they get, the kind of standing they get. It's a difference on being on the front page of a paper as opposed to being on the 7th, or being on the cover of a magazine, or as opposed to being a feature inside. So all of those things are there. But at the end of the day, if the audiences decide not to watch that film and films keep going down, after a point, you can't do anything about it. So the buck stops there.
Right. So is there a level playing field now, or no?
It's too early. Like I say, it's too early to say, because we haven't even gotten to that side, right? Maybe this discussion started 6 months ago. We're still we've controlled lockdown, I must say. We're still understanding what the digital space is going to do, because it kind of suddenly took over in this phase. Not to say that theatres are ever going to go away, because I think the joy of watching a film in a cinema with all your friends and families at time cannot be replaced by watching it at home or on phone. There'll be different content for that. But the thing of this level playing field, I don't think it's going to be that easy. It's going to take some time, and I hope that it reaches that point. But like I said, we'll all have to work at it together without being bitter and without, mud slashing. And I don't know if there is any other way, because some people believe that if you're not extreme enough, nothing's going to happen. So yeah, we'll figure out a way. I think we'll evolve into that, hopefully.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.